exhaust time. All of this has to come off and then put it back in here. But first, it had to come out. He's extremely excited.
Yeah, this is our morning. Sorry, we don't wanna post how because we done many time, but this car is a little bit tricky. It's a little bit rusty. I cut so many bolts from the diffuser.
That was just popping, so don't worry, guys.
Just a bubble from the diffuser because it's corroded and
from everywhere.
Yeah, this is couple hour extended my time, but downpipe is out. This day we want to install the customer supply parts, and this is 3.5 inch sole performance downpipe. It's gonna be louder, much louder, and we do stage 1 tune for this, and of course we replace this the muffler. They have an X-Cross muffler for this car. Yeah, this is nothing difficult, something around 8 to 10 hours for that exhaust replacement. The diffuser fit top, we need evacuate AC discharge system because we removed two pipes over there. This is one pipes, and here is the one more pipes on the bottom. We just disconnected. Yeah, because we don't have a room for moving that big, huge and long down pipes. And from another side, the filling pipe for the oil tank reservoir. Yeah, we need to remove this pipe too. And just like meditation, a lot of bad word. Remember McLaren's grandfather and grandmom, and then just like twist, use the pry bar and gently remove, because the most difficult place this angle. We just a little bit hammer it to bend, and actually after this you can
slide it out.
Slide it out. Yeah. The performance downpipe is gonna be a little bit easier because they more smaller one, but we of course, yeah, we want to use original shield to protect engine bay. Okay, let's install it back. We have everything what we need for this one, and then car going to we need to do the service and car going to tune. We don't want to do any crazy. Customer just asked for stage 1. We want to pull on the Dyno after downpipe replacement, and then I think we just added like 50-60 wheel horse and like something around 100 torque. We don't need a crazy number because he don't want something crazy, just a simple little bit more power to protect engine and not overload the system and transmission. Well, one of the heat shield from one downpipe, catalytic, whatever you call it, we transfer it to the sole downpipe, and actually you can see how it's a little bit bigger downpipe. This is 3-inch pipe, here's the 3.5, way more thicker. All mounting bracket, perfect location. I mean, no need to bend, no need to modify, just install. We have a deal before, right? With the sole performance, I think 2-3 times for one 723.5 inch whole exhaust. I believe the BMW we have a few times we installed the downpipe, and the Huracan. It's just a race muffler.
Yep.
I mean, this is just a straight pipe with crazy loud. No any issue with that. Just a gin tonic kill our brain one time, and like we say, no more gin tonic exhaust. Yeah, but sole is really good. They do really good fitment. I mean, without any bended, modified, cutting, welding stuff. I hope this 570 exhaust, it's a fit perfect. Just like install, torque the bolt, forget it. Cross my finger, but for now actually looks good.
And then there's the part that we're talking about.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Yeah, yeah. And we just used original
mufflers,
muffler tips and muffler. I mean, this is the muffler. This is X pipe. And the tips with the small elbow, we use original one.
Factory muffler out. Sole pipes in. There's no muffler. It's just pipes.
X-pipe.
X-pipe. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's ceramic coated, I believe. Looks good. Fitment perfect. Easy to installation.
Dima finished pretty much everything,
Yeah.
including the Wisec blow-offs. I think they call them blow-offs.
No, this call PIC, PCI, PVI, something like that.
So we'll call them choop choop.
Choop choop.
There you go.
Hello, I have a turbo.
There you go. So everything's going by plan. Everything's going in smooth. We're planning on finishing it.
I think
Hopefully,
another couple hours, and we
Yeah.
wanna fire up to check how is the sound, loudy sound, to scream all neighborhood.
because literally the pipe is right here. It'll be coming out right here, and there's no muffler. And we're also doing a tune on this.
Yeah.
Little pops and bangs.
Marble tune.
Marble tune, customer wanted. While we were working on it, I'll show you maybe later, we noticed that somebody tried to open this car or put a key in wrong and broke a key where
No, this is common issue. This is common issue because the
small little...
No, the emergency door opening cylinder locate in the bottom. And 720, McLaren 720 problem too. This is like they have a two lock cylinder, one in the bottom, another one in the front for emergency opening hood. In the front is like in the deep area under front the bumper, inside the like
Vent area?
air duct vent. And what's going on? Of course, weather, rain, dust. It's coming in, and that cylinder is stuck. It's physically, it's like small rocks, weather, corrosion,
anything.
yeah, anything. And after a couple of years, it's impossible to open. McLaren, what the hell? I mean, people just easy, and the key is really small. Here is the key, how is it looks like a key blink. Yeah, okay.
Just tiny.
Yeah, this is
It's an inch long.
it's really small, and when they install inside they try to turn to open the door. It's impossible because it's already corroded cylinder, and they take the pliers or some whatever and just like try to pump and break in half.
And that's an expensive key.
It's not expensive key. This is going with the whole set. Whole set is 2 key, 2 cylinder, 2 key blank. Not blank, it's already pre-cut. Thank you, McLaren, for customer.
One side in.
One side in, and we little bit stop because okay, here is the deal. I think the Soul Performance, they have different tips for this car, but the customer decide to use original tips and original pipe, and we have a problem. This problem is not going in.
They're pretty much the same size.
Yeah, this is looks like, yeah, the same size. We need to spend little bit time, and we need a stretch inside diameter. This is this diameter. Let me find 78, and this is 68, 78, and this is the same diameter, but no, 76. We need to stretch to 78. We stretch by torch. Yeah, this is first. We do the first 76, and then we hammer it 78 inside, and now it's actually fit. We can install that. It's simple, guys. I mean,
it takes a little time, but it's
yeah.
simple.
This is just a torch, hammer. You hit it, and then hammer it in.
And if you don't want to cut your floors, get a wooden piece of block that you can put it on.
Yeah, and this is what we need to do on this, to install the original pipe. simple, easy, take some 25-30 minutes, but please, solve performance. Remember that in the future. This is just like easier to just press it for easier customer installation. For us, it's not difficult. We don't need some cut any pieces like with the Gentani before and welded and cut. This is just like little bit different data, but that's fine. Well, let's fire up and check how is it.
Had to remove some cars around. This one's ready. We'll start later on today to do the oil filter housing setup. It's right in the middle, the one that's leaking. This one we finished up with doing the exhaust and setting it up for a dyno. It's really windy, so peekaboo, really windy. So if the microphone starts messing up, sorry. And it's a McLaren heaven. So we got another one here, the orange one that you guys know. We're about to put the engine maybe tomorrow starting, but probably next week. This MP4 we have here, really something simple. It's the rear taillights. They broke, so we had to order one overnighted, so we're waiting for them to come in. Ferrari, we have a headlight issue. We're doing the ballast on this one. And the blue one, well, the blue one's standing, but right now the main focus is going to be that one. He's prepping to connect the hubs to...
What do you think?
What?
How many horse? How many horse? Okay, this is 570. No, this is 570.
425.
No, I think now it's with the downpipe.
Are we talking
I think
about
something around 515 wheels.
Wheels or?
I think 515 wheels. Something like that. Because okay, it's a cutless downpipe already in. It's 3 inch.
3.5.
Oh, sorry, 3.5. Yeah.
3 inch.
Always forgot. This is old. Because another company.
Beautiful company.
They have a 3 inch. Okay, I think something around 515, 520 wheel horse.
425.
Probably it's more, because when we dynoed 720, they show 720 wheels and not engine, not clutch.
Yeah. So okay, we're setting it up. It's gonna be some fun.
Let's check.
How are you doing, Dimitri?
Well, after exhaust, first let's talk about that. What you hear, guys, beautiful exhaust, loud sound from that gray one. Okay, this is black, this is gray, and this is mix.
It's a black orange.
We finished this car, almost finished this car. Then we not install the rear cover and spoiler and fender liner, and we tune this car. We do the just stage 1 tune, and here is the result. Here is the result. The old one 448 torque, and now it's 540. It's not a lot. Something delta shows like 100, and it's the same delta for horsepower. 542, but guys, this 542. McLaren is 570, 542 because this is already we done this car after we swap cutless 3.5 inch downpipe and exhaust. Yeah, of course they rise the horsepower, but our delta for stage 1 95. I think this is more than enough for this car. We just want a little bit added barbell sound the customer asked, and enough. This is very safe tune. I cross my finger, no any problem. And that black McLaren, what we gonna do with the black McLaren? We got one unit. This is oil filter housing. And the McLaren have a problem with the diaphragm before crank ventilation, and probably this few lines, few o-ring, it's blowing because we have a really, I mean, it's not heavy, but it's good leak from this area. And McLaren never sell o-ring separate, just one unit. Actually, we need a pull-out intake manifold, and then we have access to the filter housing. And this is what we need to do today for this guy and finish that one. Next week is gonna be swap engine back. Well, actually everything is out. Intake manifold and that oil filter housing. The why it start leaking, the first things, that car after a light accident, and insurance company, I don't know, they pull out intake manifold, they broke few things, and we see somebody who repaired this car, some body shop, I don't know, they remove that oil filter housing, because the first things, this is not original clamps. McLaren never used clamps like this. They use one-time use clamps, but this is different one. And probably they cut this wire, I don't know, not idea. And they remove oil filter housing. And for save money, probably they install the use old housing, right, with the old gasket. And this is causes of the oil leaks. This is what we think. Of course, now we install the new one, new gasket, new housing, retorque everything by specs, and I hope this is problem, because from the video I think we can add that video on this vlog. Actually, it's possible to see this is leaking over there and this side and over there, and this is pressure. Here is the pressure, this is return line, this is pressure line, this is return line from filter. And of course, when the pressure, then leak. Well, car is done. Now it's running. Everything looks good. No leaks for now. I hope no more. We have leaks from this housing. I hope the problem is fixed. This is McLaren, always gamble, but the car before have some problem. Auction car. Okay, see you next week, guys.